if you ever decide to join this code, join L2, not L3, because L3 is the original.
Yeah. So I join L2. Okay.
When the stars collide.
Let's go.
Actually, wait. Do you know Gorilla Royale?
Yeah, I play that game. But I can't play anymore since I have one hand. Come on. We need to get stonks.
Yesterday I was playing Gorilla Royale, and someone gave me a legendary gun.
Well, we're going back for the video. I hope this is actually recording. Hey, bro, he's back. What happened to red light, green light?
I killed him.
Oh.
I'm stealing his box and his chicken.
Did you break the box here? Oh no.
Yeah, just dropped a firework.
No, this is good. If you broke this, there's a chance of a shotgun. There's a chance of a shotgun.
Yeah, but we don't have anything to break it with.
We could get a grenade from one of the bombs. That's a low chance though. So,
I mean, if you want, we could just wait here.
No, we can get bombs in there too. How do you even kill the
wait, there's already...
I have a question. How do you kill the eye monster?
Shoot its body. If you shoot the ball around the ball part.
Oh! Ow. Coming. Wait, you could drop a bomb. See if it dropped a flashbang or a bomb.
It didn't drop a bomb.
Ah! I got crowbar.
Yo, we can break the crate now.
I lost my hoverboard though. I need my hoverboard.
We can get it when we're coming back. Break it.
Please, shotgun. No shotgun. Oh, just don't move. You're safe. Grenade. I'm killing Red Light Green Light Monster. I do not care. I do not like him. I do not like this man. There's a crate by him. Oh, he didn't die. We need to rush back so I can get my hoverboard. Quick. Because I do not want to go all the way back and buy another hoverboard. I see her. I need a light though. Yeah, I got her. Just run past Mimic.
Okay, go.
Ow! He's coming. I'm here. This would be really bad if I fell on one of these. I've been recording. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. Give me a sec. Later. I do not like doing this jump. Like, I always feel like I'm gonna fail her. Like, if I didn't have my...
Door closed.
What? No.
I.
If you close my door, I'll close you. You come back here, man.
Bayonetta monster.
You come back here.
Actually, the worst part about the ghost monster is it's immortal. You can't kill it.
Yeah, like if you could kill it and it dropped max loot, I would like it. But because
Like it could drop like a soul, a white crystal that has like souls around it.
yeah, and that could like be sold for a lot.
Then
Like
it would be worth it. Then it would be worth it.
and also she also drops like a higher tier crate. Hello? 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 Oh, hi.
I threw a grenade down there.
I couldn't see you. Oh, I thought I just exploded. Okay, here to sewers.
Shit! I dropped my controller. It's falling down.
This is basically one of the best money methods, or not the best. This is definitely better than Haunted. Where the hell are you? I would say this method is better than Haunted. Would you?
Are you ready for the money? Wait, what?
What?
Get.
Your flashlight.
This is not mine. Why is it able to move, but you can't pick it up?
What? Come on, where are you?
Something on me is producing light.
I think it might be your What's producing light?
It was the crowbar.
How would the crowbar produce light?
Have no idea, but it was making red light.
It was your watch, because your accident hit me. Probably.
Oh yeah, it was probably my watch.
I see was that briefcase. I see a brief.
Briefcase.
You grab that. I'm not risking my life. There's two. I'll grab this. Got it.
Okay.
Bro, briefcases sell for the most in this game, don't they? And also, if you could bring a backpack and get a lot of gold, that would be good. But briefcases for the win. Oh my! What the hell did you go? Wait, I'm just following you. No, wait, no! Did you get another? Oh, nice. Biggity bang bang, biggity bang.
Okay, let's get out of here. I'm at low health, bro.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna do this round and then I'm gonna join like Gorilla Tag.
Yes, you wanna add each other?
On Oculus, yeah, why not?
And I'm gonna go in a drill tag too.
Wrong way, bro, wrong way.
Oh, I forgot. Wait, there's probably a thing over there. But who cares?
No, but they can only spawn at the red light area.
Oh yeah. Ah! My viewers would probably get more though, if they even play this game. I post more Gorilla Tag and like other stuff. We made it to the should I get gold? No, I can't actually.
It's not really worth it.
By the way,
what's
we're
in
definitely
these?
getting 6,000. We're getting 6,000 from this. Just for free.
My question is, what's in these briefcases to make them so expensive?
Probably like a bunch of gold. They're probably filled like to the max of gold. This is how you go fast. Banana, look. This is how you go fast. T-pose. Don't use all your power in one. Just keep pressing it one by one, and it works.
We're nearly there.
Oh. Angle is close.
Just go.
Crap. Wait, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. We made it. Press it.
Yes.
Angle's about to chop us.
Once my brother accidentally took anglerfish back to spawn. No, mimic.
Mimic? What? I was about to say anglerfish is a bit nice, but mimic. How did he survive for that long? This is 6,000, isn't it? Biggity bang. Where the hell did my 6,000 at my minimum? It's gonna be exactly 6K. Yeah. Yes.
So clean, bro.
So clean.
6K exactly. I have 46K. Let's have a celebration.
I have 43K. Yeah.
Celebratory explosion time.
Wait. Let me do explosion. Let me do some celebrating. Wait, I know the perfect thing. You get that, and also get a crowbar, and then put the rocket on the crowbar. Look, celebrations. Oh,
Have definitely not. Have a snack that definitely doesn't have like weed in it.
Let me have a try. Yo,
actually no.
Let me check.
I guarantee it has steroids, bro. Yo. Yeah, bro.
Oh, I feel.
The only downside is after the steroids are gone, then you're just gonna feel tired and slow.
I already feel slow.
I'm going to bed.
Okay, let me go to bed. Oh! Ow. Give me my crowbar.
Anyways, just join code L2 in Gorilla Tag. Let's play Monkey Blocks.
Well, people probably in there. Just join the code TYT88. No, TYT666.
TYT666.
Wait, let me do a celebration.
Okay, so the code is TYT.
Let me do a celebration of the red light, though. Here we go.
It's TYT, right?
Oh,
TYT666.
Yeah, TYT666. Oh, wait,
okay.
Yeah. Just add each other on Oculus really quick, just in case.
Yeah.
Oh, he dead. Bye-bye.